Out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dutch the Diesel Technician, man, back with another fun-filled and informative video today. We're going to be talking about brake booster failures and check valve failures. Alright, if you driving your car and it just start to get real hard for you to put on your brake, I mean the brake is very hard to push, this is a sign of you having booster related issues with your braking system. Now, because you know, some people will automatically think it's something with the pads or something like that, rotors or something like that, but that's a booster problem. Because when you step on your brake pedal, what you're doing is you multiplying the force against the piston to push out the brake fluid. Okay, so it makes it easier for you to stop, so that you don't have to push really hard on your brake pedal in order for you to get stopping force. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you what it could be. Now, the brake booster check valve, right? The check valve is located right there. And the hose, this is the booster itself here. The check valve is here. This check valve goes into the intake manifold and it uses the intake manifold vacuum. Okay, now this check valve, what it does is it sucks the air out of the brake booster so that you can push down on the pedal easily. Because when you step on the brake pedal, that force that you need, the reason the air is in there is so that you can multiply the force against the pistons that's pushing out the brake fluid from the master cylinder, which is this. See how the master cylinder bolts into the brake booster. So when you press your pedal, you're multiplying the force against the piston that pushes out the fluids. But this sucks the air out of the brake booster so that you can easily push it, if that makes sense. So that it makes it easier for you to push it. You need the air there so you can multiply the force, but you want to be able to push the pedal down when you're doing it. So, and that uses engine vacuum. This is the location. Every car has a check valve if it has a brake booster on it. Every car has to have the check valve on it. Diesel engines, they have to have a pump. They don't use engine vacuum, but that's how that works.